Hi, I am Starkey from driftworks.com, and today we are looking at the Japan Racing JR22. So the JR22 is available in 17s all the way up to a mammoth 20 inches of diameter. For widths, they start at 7 inches wide and go all the way up to 11 inches wide. For PCDs, this is another multi-stud PCD option. So by default, they come with 2 PCDs, which is why they have 10 holes. Everything from 4x100 to 5x120. We can custom drill these wheels, so if you don't want 10 holes, you can have 5 in any PCD option you want. So 5x110, whatever. You can get them drilled to your specific size. This wheel comes in a range of colours. So this is the machined silver face. They do this in hyper black, which is like an old shadow chrome, so it's very, very shiny, but in certain lights will change the lightness. Then they're available in matte black and matte bronze. As for the concavity of the wheels, the concaveness, it is determined by the width of the wheel. So the wider you go, the more concave the spokes will have. So this is a 9.5 here, and it's starting to get concave spokes. So obviously the narrower the wheel will have a flatter face, but if you go for the 11s, they'll have quite a deep concave on them. So this is a multi-spoke wheel with a slight twist on the face. It does only twist one way, so if you want your car to match left and right, please be aware that it does only twist one way. So as with most of the JR wheels, they are aimed more towards the Euro scene, and this is another one of these wheels. I think it'll look great on like a VW or an Audi or maybe even a BMW. Not so much the Jap scene. I don't think it's the right wheel for that, but definitely the Euro scene. I can picture these on a Golf any day of the week. So yeah, thank you.
At Driftworks, we've helped over 50,000 happy customers since 2004. Our huge online parts store is simple to use, with superb shipping rates to anywhere in the world, and finance options available for UK customers. We live and breathe wheel fitment, so if you have any questions about your own car or any of our products before placing an order, please drop us an email at shop@driftworks.com or give us a call. Thanks for watching.